If it seems like the world of industrial manufacturing machinery has gotten more complicated, that's because it has. Today, new models of production are driving the development of intelligent and connected machines that need to work seamlessly alongside a company's legacy equipment. So when machines break down, finding the right repair and maintenance service for your specific situation can quickly turn into a challenge. That's why we created the UP app. It's the smartest way to connect industrial manufacturers with machine service providers who know how to get their equipment running and keep it that way. UP's expansive network of skilled service providers specialize in countless makes and models of industrial machinery. So whatever the need, we've got it covered. It's easy to get started. Just access the app on your phone, tablet, or desktop computer and submit a service request to the network. The UP app will quickly communicate the specifics of your particular machinery and the issues that need to be addressed. Our service matching platform then scours the entire network to identify the best matched service technicians for your situation and then alerts them that your request has been made. They'll then respond with detailed information that helps you choose the right service provider. The app makes it easy to compare quotes based on rates, availability, and customer reviews. Finally, just schedule the service with the best candidate and have the work done. It's easy. And once your machine is back to work, rate the service provider to help strengthen the power of our network. See why the UP app is quickly becoming one of the most indispensable tools in industrial manufacturing today. The future of manufacturing doesn't have to be complicated. Find out just how easy industrial machinery repair and maintenance can be at theupapp.com.